What's air pollution? Air pollution refers to the release of pollutants into the air. Pollutants which are detrimental to human health and the planet as a whole. There are many different types of air pollutants, such as solid particles, liquid droplets, and gases. They are materials in the air that can have adverse effects on humans and the ecosystem. A pollutant can be of natural or man-made origin. Some air pollution comes from natural sources. When animals such as cattle digest food, methane is emitted. Wildfires also contribute to smoke and carbon monoxide. During periods of active wildfires, smoke from uncontrolled biomass combustion can make up almost 75% of all air pollution. It's reported that wildfires in California, US had been burning for nearly 2 months and spreading over 16,000 square kilometers, causing mass air pollution and a huge amount of carbon emissions. Volcanic activities, another natural source, also produce sulfur, chlorine, and ash particulates. Their activity on Earth also has a negative impact on ozone levels. The 1993 Mount Pinatubo eruption in the Philippines caused ozone levels to backslide for several years, according to the researchers. However, most air pollution results from human activities. When we burn fossil fuels, they release greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases into the air. Toxic pollutants such as mercury, lead, dioxins, and benzene are released during gas or coal combustion or burning of gasoline. Petroleum refineries and coal power plants emit chemicals such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Volatile organic compounds, VOCs, are released from the use of gasoline paints and many cleaning solvents. Solid waste landfills are some of the largest pollutants of methane gas. In the United States, the average person produces 4.3 pounds of trash per day. That's 1,569 pounds of trash per year for one person. With the 7+ billion people that live on the globe, that's 11.6 trillion pounds of trash dumped into landfills every year. Now we'll talk about adverse effects of air pollution on health, agriculture, and the economy. Individual reactions to air pollutants depend on the type of pollutant a person is exposed to, the degree of exposure, and the individual's health status and genetics. The human health effects of poor air quality are far-reaching, but principally affect the body's respiratory system and the cardiovascular system. The health effects caused by air pollution may include difficulty in breathing, coughing, asthma, and worsening of existing respiratory and cardiac conditions. These effects can result in increased medication use, increased visits of doctor or emergency department, more hospital admissions, and premature death. Air pollution may also lead to reduction of crop yields. In India, in 2014, it was reported that air pollution by black carbon formed through incomplete combustion of fossil fuels and biomass and ground-level ozone had reduced crop yields in the most affected areas by almost half in 2011 when compared to 1980 levels. In addition, air pollution costs the world economy $5 trillion per year as a result of productivity losses and degraded quality of life, according to a joint study by the World Bank and the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation. These productivity losses are caused by death due to diseases caused by air pollution. The problem is even more acute in the developing world. While air pollution has many consequences for our planet, there are solutions we can adopt to limit toxic smog and greenhouse gases. Governments and industries must take their responsibilities by establishing laws and policies and adapting to better industrial processes and practices. China has put forward effective measures and made significant progress to improve the air quality. Air Pollution Action Plan and a 3-year action plan to fight air pollution were issued in 2013 and 2018. Emissions of major pollutants continued to decline in 2019, and the PM2.5 densities in 337 cities shrank 2.9% year-on-year, according to the Ministry of Ecology and Environment. From January to December in 2021, days of A and B classes accounted for 87.5% of the whole year in 339 cities above the prefectural level. The Chinese capital saw 288 days with good air quality last year, accounting for about 79% of the year. Moreover, efforts should also be taken to create awareness among general citizens. Each individual can also make a difference. Saving energy and using cleaner energy sources is one of the most cost-effective and easy-to-achieve ways for us to contribute to the reduction of air pollution. Switch to green power generated from renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower. You can also consider rooftop solar or other self-supplied green power. Look for the Energy Star certification label on energy-efficient products. Heat and cool your home smartly by properly sealing and insulating your home. Moreover, we can practice the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle to reduce waste, which could also reduce emission of harmful gases. Studies suggest that a high-fiber, plant-based diet is also better for your health, so it can be a win-win. Eat fewer or smaller portions of meat, especially red meat, which has the largest environmental impact. Continue to use greener transportation, biking, walking, carpooling, and public transportation. Choose an energy-efficient vehicle by looking for models with higher miles per gallon. Switch to an electric vehicle if you can. Thank you very much for listening. See you.